Hey everybody, I wanted to tell you a little bit about our color combo pre-sale that we're running over at nettasnursery.com. Now our color combos, those are collections of plants that we pot up, and they are some of our favorite combinations. So they're going to be plants that work well together, really great color on them, and ones that are just consistently beautiful year after year when we plant them. But we only plant a limited number of each one of these. So we want to offer them to you early, because if you were here, let's say Mother's Day last year, you were probably walking around and you could see over in our sold area, there were a whole bunch of these beautiful hanging baskets just loaded with flowers, and they looked absolutely perfect. Those were color combos, and those were already sold, and people kept asking if we had more, and we didn't. So certain varieties we sold out of very quickly. So I want to tell you a little bit more about these. They come, most of them come in this kind of pot right here. We call it light wicker, and we use plugs. So the plugs have multiple plants in each plug. So like this one looks like it has two, but there's actually more than one variety inside. So I'll show you a closer look at that. Now you're not able to change the types of plants that are in them because we use the plugs for them. That would be more of one of our plant on demands if you wanted something like that, and that'll be happening more April 1st. But it wouldn't be Nettas if we didn't give you some choice. So we are letting you change the pot if you want. So if you want to upgrade from this kind of pot, we have a couple of options. I've got them over here, so I'm just going to show them to you as I go through. So this one here, this is just a regular kind of porch pot with a rolled rim. It's this nice tan color. We thought it was also would look nice with these hanging baskets. So if you wanted some for on the porch, like or on the steps, and one hanging up above, you can, they kind of go well together. So you could kind of mix and match those. Also, these are the pots that I used. If you watched the video last year where I was using them as liner pots, and I took this and stuck it inside a nice ceramic pot, kind of the little cheater tip that I had given before. These fit a lot of different pots. They're 12 inch, they're a little bit more than 12 inches. I'll post the width on here so you could go out and measure the interior of your pot. I'll also put a link to that video. So this is an upgrade option. Then there's also a couple of moss options for you. And these are really beautiful. These are iron work with the moss, and they are a hanging basket. And this one here is square. I'm not gonna remember the names, but they are gonna be on the website. So you could upgrade to one of these. So this is a nice one. There's two other designs on this. So let me show you. This one here is more of a round one, and you can see it has that kind of metal scroll work in there, and it has the cocoa liner inside, just like the other one. And then the last one is this one here. So another nice square option. So picture that just filled with flowers coming out over the edge. Just they're really beautiful, and the quality on these are great. They're much stronger than some of the other ones that we've seen from different places. So we're happy with these. So those are available as an upgrade. You can see it when you click on the different color combos. You choose your pot. So you can choose the standard one, no extra charge for that. But if you get any of these, there is an upcharge. Now, for those of you who aren't big into watering, let me tell you about these next ones. You could upgrade to this, it's called a self-watering hanging basket. It does have the cords that attach here, and it just has this reservoir on the bottom, and it's gonna hold a little bit more water, and it's gonna make it so you don't have to water quite as much. So that's an option for an upgrade. But the other one is gonna be one of these self-watering, and these also have that reservoir. It's a little bit bigger pot than the others, so gives it a little bit more root room as well. That reservoir does take up a little bit of space, so it's not quite as big as it might look from here. So this is the charcoal color, and then it also is available in terracotta. So nice options. There we go. And let's see, what else can I tell you? There are two of the combos that have Angelonia in them, and Angelonia gets quite tall, so they don't really work great in a hanging basket. So let me show you. We planted them up in these patio pots here. So that's what we have for these. And if you look inside, I'm gonna give you a little close up here. It looks like there's only 2 plants in here. There's actually 6. Each one of these plugs has 3 different colors of Angelonia. So that's kind of an interesting way that we're doing it here. It lets us kind of save time planting, but yet still get huge impact. These fill out just amazing. So they're really great. And if you wanted to upgrade this, you could get it to that rolled rim tan one, or to one of the square moss ones, or the self-watering. We could easily do that for you as well. So there's just a little upcharge for all those. Now I'm going to give you a little closer look at the plants on these other ones. And also I have some photos from last year. These are actual photos that we took here at Netta's. So it's the real deal. So let me switch this over. So this one right now, just the pink is blooming, and that's, I think, the Pink Star Cabaret. And I think this one also has a yellow Calibrachoa in there. So they're planted in there together. There's actually, so there's quite a few plants in here. This one here is, that one was Tea Party, and this one I think is Biding My Time. Yes. And so this one has, I think, Verbena, Calibrachoa, and what's the other one? Oh, Biden's in there. So you can see that's the Verbena there. That's the Calibrachoa. Trying to see, I think, oh, that's the Biden's. It's back over here. Sorry, I hope you can see that. It's this little kind of frilly one there. So 3 plants, 1 plug. So in total, there's 6 plants in here. So this gets really quite large. This one here is called CRYSTALIZE, and this one has the speckled petunias in it. These petunias get really big, but this is gonna fill in, and it really does just fill up the entire area. Over here, this one has 2 flowers blooming, so that's Lobularia. That's one of the Cabaret Calibrachoas. I think, does it have, oh, and then it also has a purple that kind of comes in there too. So head on down to nettasnursery.com. You'll find the color combos on there, 20 to choose from. One that I'm especially excited about is a red, white, and blue themed one. It's got a red petunia, a blue lobelia, and a white verbena in it. And already they're already touching the edge of the pot. So I think by May 1st, these are going to be gargantuan, and I think the red, white, and blue color is going to be really beautiful. So again, get over there. The sale ends Tuesday, March 22nd. So you're going to want to get over there before that sale ends, because after that, we are raising the price. So go for it, and I'll be talking to you all very, very soon.